But guys, if you're still alive, it is week 14. We have a couple of dirty bastards you can add that may make the difference between you crying in your beer come Sunday, moving on to those championship rounds.
And for all you wives and girlfriends out there, stay tuned. We got some relationship advice for you.
And a little tree trimming advice for us. All that more next on Fantasize This. We got our fingers crossed for him. You gotta like the little guy here. We got the 49ers minus 10.5. They lost to Minnesota 24-13. Followed that up with a 34-0 trouncing of the Jets. 26-3 loss to the Giants. Beat Seattle 13-6, and they tied St. Louis and crushed the Bears 32-7. That is 79-13 after a loss or a tie this year. They just lost 16-13 to the Rams. That sounds like trouble for the Dolphins. I like the Niners minus 10.5 in this game. So how does Carolina score points against the Broncos? Champ Bailey's on Steve Smith. Don't really see it happen. And Cam Newton's been sacked 17 times this year. He's got to deal with the Denver pass rush. Von Miller and Elvis Dumervil are going to cause problems there. And Cam's got 6 touchdowns in the season. You can't keep up with Peyton Manning. Peyton has 20. Do the math.
And I want to apologize. I'm on a little losing streak right now. I went 0-4 in my last 2 weeks. I got tape and little fucking medicine balls all over me. I went to the acupuncture today.
Some Eastern medicine, guys.
Eastern medicine, you know. I got a ponytail going. My grays are popping through. Got spread the love on my shirt, shaking it up. Anyway.
Go.
And Tony Romo had a sober bachelor party.
Yeah, what do you mean? What is that?
Give me a break.
Well, Frank Gore is dirty. He is a sinister prick. I love this guy. 5.8 yards a carry. All right, next up we have our Stinkhole of the Week award. This goes to the guy that was not a brutalizer. He did not adhere to the code of sinisterity and basically left his nuts in the locker room. Ryan Matthews is taking mental reps again. Looks like his vaginitis is flaring up. Here we have a feminine hygiene product. We have an applicator wand, cleansing reservoir. The NFL would not be the NFL if we required our players to wear condoms, right? Okay, think of it this way. Eli Manning is on a 2-minute drill, end of the game. We know what he does in crunch time. Victor Cruz is on the field. Time is running out. The defense is reeling. Do you want to call timeout, give them a chance to catch their breath, grab the condom, open the condom, put the condom on, or do you want to let the time tick, bury a deep bomb to Victor Cruz down the middle, 75 yards, so he can salsa dance in the end zone?
Deep bomb, guy.
Deep bomb. Raw deep bomb.
Raw deep bomb.
There's no place for Jimmys in the NFL. There's no place for Jimmys in pornography.
Stay tuned. Up next, a holiday treat for you. Little Thanksgiving action. I forgot to say Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
All right.
Bye. See you soon.